फिशरीज मिनिस्टर एकूय पाट येवंक तूं देखून गेलो सो मिनिस्टर कित्याक वचना
हांव सीएमान म्हाका पयलीं म्हणून हांव गेलो
सीएम
सीएमा
गेलो, तूं
बरोबर
गेलो, तूं बरें
ही सगळे आयज तेणें म्हाका कलेक्टरान फोन मारलो 11 o'clock मिटिंगाक तेज्या पयलीं आमी तेच फुटबॉलान तो इश्यू आसलो आमच्या ऑफिसा कडेन एक मिटींग आसली सो ती काबार करून मागीर हांव येयलो कितें जालें तें चोवपाक ते म्हाका फिडबॅक दिलो सरपंच आहलोली प्लस पेट्रोल ओनर्स तेय आहले हिंगा सो तो कितें मिनिट्स कितें केला ते तो फिडबॅक घेतलो
घरा कडेन तुका लोक कित्याक येयले
सो लोक येयलो कित्याक काल थिंगा इश्यू जाल्लो कितें तेंचे लोकल्स आहाय ते सो तेंचे कितें डेमॉलिश कर सो तेंचे इश्यू जाता तेंचे प्रॉब्लम ती घेवन सॉल्व करपाक येयले तेंचे कितें प्रपोजल तेंचे कितें पेपर कितें आहा तें सगळें घेवन ती म्हणजे बरें काल सीएमान म्हणलें कितें एन्करेजमेंट आहा तें काडून सो ते एन्करेजमेंट ते कॉमदार प्रॉपर्टी फिशरीज इतना ते एक्सप्लेन करताले सो तेमी म्हाका एक लेटरूय केलो आहा सो ती व्हरून मागीर उलयता म्हणलें तेंका सांगून
ओके ह्या आउटब्रेकाचेर आतां सोल्युशन कितें जातलें तुमकां दिसता बिकॉज 172 केसीस म्हणटा ज्या भाशेन दोतोर सांगता पळय
सो कितें आतां हो इश्यू पयलींसून आहा थिंगा सॅनिटेशन प्रॉब्लम आहा ट्रॉलर्स तूं जाणा आसतलें एक ट्रॉलरान एक 35 तरी मिनिमम एक भितर आसताच आतां एक ती कॉलरा केस जाल्यार ती वाडत ती सायक फास्ट वाडटा तरी आसतना आमचे हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटान म्हणजे वायल्ड प्रायमरी हेल्थ ते दोतोर प्लस आमचे चिंचिणी हेल्थ दोतोरान प्लस आमचे सावगड तेणी जाय तितले ह्या टायमाचेर हेल्प केला जाय तितले कंट्रोल करपाक जाय तितले टेस्टिंगाय तेमी केले सो आतां कितें जाता बोटींगचे कितें जाता ते केसीस तेमी मुखार हाडपा जाय एक पावटी तेंचे बरें घेवन येना थिंगा भितर रावले जाल्यार ते आनीक वाडपाक शकता सो आमी मागताय ज्यो केसीस आहाय त्यो जाता तितल्यो बेगीन आमचे ऑफिसर गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसर तेंचे बरें घेवन येवचे म्हणून ना जाल्यार वाडटले ना ते गांवांकूय पावतले
So I have, as the Chief Minister yesterday said, it is going to be the responsibility of the boat owners to provide facilities to using of toilets, to ensure that their workers use the Sulabh toilets. To me, I get the impression that the workers are not using the Sulabh toilets because they have to pay for every use. The associations were here, some representatives of the association were here. In principle, they have agreed that that they would provide, they would pay for usage of those toilets of their employees. Their only request was that we should negotiate, if we could negotiate the rates that Sulabh toilet is charging, but they expressed their willingness to pay for it. As far as vessels that are parked there, we have decided that the fisheries department will at the moment is charging 5,000 rupees as parking fees for these vessels. It is agreed by and I'm happy to say it is a proposal from the association. It has not come from us that this 5,000 should be increased to 1 lakh per month if you park your vessel there. I think it will be a good gesture, and I'm happy because it has come from the association itself. So, like this, we have come out with various suggestions, various opinions and suggestions have come. For example, registration of the workers with the health department to ensure that those the workers are also registered with the police. So all these things we're trying to put in place, and I'm sure we will succeed. Except that we require time. For example, as far as vis-a-vis toilets, there is a proposal that we should have a 50-seater Sulabh toilet built there. That will take a little time. So we are toying with the idea to see whether we can get temporary toilets, which would be serviced, would be cleaned on a daily basis. The meeting was a follow-up to our Chief Minister's visit to Koduman Jetty yesterday. He has directed certain things to be what do I say, done, implemented. And in order to put it in action, we have met today. We have met basically to do preliminary groundwork, to know what is the situation, to know how much land is of the Komulat, how much land is of the fisheries department, basically to do sort of a study of the ground reality. We have found that land is there. Land was acquired by the fisheries department, something like 35,000 square meters. We have found that JSIDC has constructed a new jetty. They say it is not inaugurated, but with the same breath they say it is also partly in use. So whether an inauguration is really a justification or what, I do not know. They also say that JSIDC is saying that that the structure is not suitable to carry that much of load. So we have asked JSIDC to submit the plan. I have requested PWD because you see I am told JSIDC after handing over is responsible for the structure or the jetty for 3 years. Three years have passed, and so I think since they've handed over to the fisheries, we'll have to see whether PWD has to play the future role or what. Next is cholera is basically a waterborne disease. So we've also requested PWD to study the prospects of laying a pipeline. There was a proposal that was submitted to the government for submitting a pipeline for water. We believe that pipeline, that proposal would not provide the necessary quantity of water that is required. So we have asked PWD to re-look into it and get back within the next 3 days. We will sit again on Monday and see what exactly is the situation. Because providing, as of today, the fisher folk are getting water brought in tankers, whilst we would like to see we can provide municipal water. Having said that, we do not want the water to be a nuisance, the additional water, to the people living in the surrounding villages. So a detailed study, they will have to do a detailed study and get back, and we'll see how feasible this proposal to lay a fresh pipeline would be.
CM went to the site. Why your concerned fisheries minister is not going to the site? Because it's part of the fisheries department.
Fisheries minister, I think, has just returned.
So for the last, since the time, what the locals are saying, or the boat owners, fisheries minister कोई पार्टी होगा तू देखो ना so minister किधर बसा?
आओ CM माका पहले मुन्ना
So
गलो CM वाले बोल.
तू मेरा बड़ा तो fisheries minister किधर दिसाना?
They have been, you see, the fact is that the minister might have not gone to the site, but the fact is.
Don't you think he had to go?
One second, not necessarily.
Not necessarily.
Not necessarily. The fact is that the associations themselves are saying that they are interacting with the minister. So, as long as their issues are being, whatever issues they are raising are being taken up by the minister and the department.
So why these issues were not taken up by the minister then?
I don't know whether these issues have been placed before the minister. These issues have been basically seen because because of this present crisis. Per se, the purpose of today's meeting, the purpose of Chief Minister's visit yesterday, was primarily to try and focus on improvement of the health of the laborers.
Sir, totally agreed whatever you say, but your fisheries minister is not to be seen. Don't you think the concerned minister has to be there?
See,
so there tomorrow, like there is a
one
private...
second. To the best of my knowledge, the minister yesterday was busy because his was the 5-day Ganesh. Okay, he was busy with this religious part. That is why the Chief Minister requested me to accompany him.
I'm saying otherwise, why he was not to be seen?
This outbreak took place, I think, around August, 20th it started. So no one, fisheries director,
Fisheries
no one
director.
must have gone there. All this.
What was the reason for the fisheries director to be suspended?
I think
She's not suspended.
Transferred, sorry.
Because
Transferred.
because you see, as member secretary pollution board, she has got a lot of responsibility there.
Just because of that.
So maybe to reduce her load.
Subscribe and follow our YouTube and Facebook channel for more videos.